Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This beautiful residence on 1.67 acres is the ideal home for those who yearn for a salubrious climate in a very quiet community with majestic views of the mountains. There are two buildings on the land. Building 1 is a split-level residence comprising of a basement with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living, dining, kitchen, pump room, and storage area. Ground floor consists of 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living room, entertainment room, 2 bathrooms, dining room, linen closets, kitchen, and laundry room. It can be used as an income earner as the outer rooms have their own entrances and patios. Building 2 is a single-story residence with scope for adding a second floor. It comprises 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, living, dining, and kitchen. It is an income earner also. Guys, let's take a look at these homes. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for these houses are Jamaican 38 million or US $246.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.